They said if we can take the door off, we can go back out. Yep, we're good to go.
Okay.
Ready to go party again?
Yeah.
So what's the goal now? Pull it out? If we can't pull it out, then we can go on again?
No, never pull out is my motto.
Yeah, true. That's what happened.
But I'm kind of, you know, rotund, so I need a little bit more elbow room inside of there. So we're going to do some slight body modifications here. We're going to pull this out, pull the cage back out, and get out there and go party. We still got tires left, we still got gas left, we still got daylight.